So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find the value of e power x minus 1 minus half times x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole cube by 3 so on. So as you can clearly see, the power of e has some relation with the expansion of log 1 plus x. So if I put x minus 1 is equal to some number t. So the power is nothing but t minus t square by 2 plus t cube by 3 minus t power 4 by 4 so on up to infinity. So this is nothing but the expansion of log of 1 plus t to the base e, right? Log 1 plus t to the base e. That is equal to log of 1 plus t is nothing but x minus 1 to the base e. These two gets cancelled. So that is nothing but log x to the base e. So the power which you have for e is nothing but log x to the base e. So if you substitute this, so you get e power log x to the base e, which is same as x. Because e and e are same, so everything will get cancelled out. You get x as the answer. Thank you.